got here too early. They open at 11 o'clock. So let's go around a little bit more and we'll be back. Beautiful. Look, the new one. Ah, it's so marvelous. Look at it. First thing. At least mine though. It's fantastic. Hello, here I am with the T Line, and David will help me with little doubts that we have that you guys ask me.
Sure.
First, why they have this hose?
So, right. So this hole really was designed from the ground up. And wait, you mind editing that out for a sec? I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
What's the reason for that hole in the frame
Yes.
again? Like,
It's
is that just a design thing?
beauty, and
Yeah.
you can lift it up with one
hole?
finger. It's
Like
amazing.
rain get in
It's
there
so light.
primarily?
You know, it's perfect. And I'm
But
gonna
it will
get
just
some
drip
help
right out, right?
to show you all the little details from this new beautiful Brompton T Line. Carbon inside, carbon, carbon, and carbon. So from that, it's a much lighter bike. And it's very, got it?
Yeah, yeah.
So I got David to help me with the little things that we are curious about, you know, like this little hose, why they did this whole thing in one piece, you know, the carbon part. So let's start with the hose.
Yeah, so with that hole, it's really just a design thing to really minimize the weight as much as possible. Now, there has been some concerns that water can get in there and really just kind of fill up the frame. However, it does drip right out, so it's not really going to be a concern in the long run. But really, the hole there is just an interesting design choice, and it's really meant to just to minimize the weight.
It's beautiful. It's so neat. Another thing that I really like about it is this stop here, because they change it. In our regular Brompton, it's up here. So when you close it, it only locks when the seat posts go all the way down. Do you have to do anything else?
Yeah, no, that's good.
Nope, all yours.
I can show you. Yeah, so let me show you. That's what we call the dual stop disc system. And so let me show you that.
Oh, it only goes down when you close it?
Yeah, so it'll lock into place. So here you have the quick release pedal.
That's good, isn't it?
And as you can see, so when you lift up the stem, unlike a normal Brompton, when you lift up the stem, the bike is not going to come apart. And so that is where the stop disc system is utilized. So essentially what you can do is you can roll it around like this.
So neat.
Or,
Whoops.
or kind of like that. Or what you can do, which is really cool, is
Yeah, that's the best
put
one.
it over your shoulder, just like that.
That's perfect.
So it really is a really useful feature. They also implemented this in the new P Line.
And the P Line also, right?
Correct, yeah. So a lot of the features in the T Line, they actually integrated into the P Line.
Yeah, they have the same triangle, right?
Yep, that's called the Mark
So
7.
everything that's in that triangle is the same one.
Correct, yeah. And so you can
Do you
roll
think
it
that
around
we
like
can put this triangle in our original Brompton someday?
Perhaps. It is a titanium triangle. So not really quite sure if it will be compatible with the standard steel models. Hopefully, that would be really cool.
Yeah, I noticed that we won't be able to put the fork because everything here is different. The size, you know, that's specific for the T Line. But I wonder if we could put the stop, you know, just the stop in our. And also, this here is so cool. love it because it goes out, you know, it doesn't go around anymore, and it's so perfect. Do you think we can have it for our original Brompton?
Hopefully, yeah. There's been a lot of aftermarket
Or is there
products.
any different?
Yeah, there are some aftermarket products that try to kind of imitate that. Hopefully that will be compatible with the standard steel models down the road.
Oh, yeah,
it really just has to do with the design mechanism.
You notice another thing, that you have to turn less time.
Yeah.
Than the original one. Is there any different design in it?
So it really just comes down to the geometry of this piece right here. So as you can see, it's going to loosen a little more quickly, and also it lines up within this edge right here. So it is a lot less time consuming to play around with that, which really comes into the fold and unfold.
Beautiful. I love this idea here. So nice.
The quick release pedal.
So small.
Yeah, that was also another weight saving component that they added, which is really nice because when you fold this down, unlike a normal Brompton, when your pedal is folded on a normal Brompton, it still kind of will fit into your leg a little bit.
It does.
But with this, the whole thing is totally
you won't hurt
not hitting your thigh.
It's so really light.
Nice. Yeah.
It's so amazingly light. It's fantastic. Oh, here's the new T Line. It's beautiful.